Want to get her on camera. Oh, what a good girl. That's a good girl. Where'd you go? You gotta...
Dogs just walked by, so we're gonna have to smell it.
Oh. Bring the meal, Nugget. See, I'm trying to film her.
Oh,
and every time
what you're doing.
the last time too when she didn't do it, but well.
One of our neighbors came through with 2 dogs and they walked through all the way through here.
Well, she just...
What she's doing now. Come here.
Oh, that's a good
would
girl.
You take this nice for her? Here.
That's a good girl.
Okay.
Okay, see? Okay, that's a good girl now.
Come on, we're gonna go in the house now.
Bye. There she goes. That's a good girl. She's a good girl.